Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of minus 0.07 for mobile, which is notably below our historical baseline. This indicates a shift in perception that's worth your attention. With momentum holding steady at plus 0.00 and 20 semantic clusters, you're looking at a potential pivot point in the conversation around mobile. Our API returns comprehensive insights, including sentiment scores, trends, and contextual clusters that help you understand the nuances behind the numbers. Imagine you're building a customer feedback loop for a new mobile app. By integrating our sentiment data, you can quickly assess user reactions and make informed adjustments to your app's features or marketing strategies. For more details, visit pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Let's refine how you engage with your users.